Welcome back, everybody. Last few lectures we talked extensively about two of these four fundamental effects of programming, namely try and future. But maybe you got the feeling that, we pulled try and future a little bit out of the hat like a rabbit, like a magician. All right? And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you that actually try and future are closely related, and that you can derive one from the other. And then we're going to use that same trick on the other side, where we will take iterable and use this same trick to get observable. And what is this trick? Well, in order to do that trick, we need to break down futures into their essence. Okay? So here is the type of future. Just to remind you, future has a onComplete method. What we did before is we used unit here instead of u for simplicity, but it takes a callback that takes a function from try to unit and then return unit. All right, so if we simplify this all away, so we remove the trait because this is a trait with just a single function, then what we're left with is this higher order function. So it's a try of t to unit. All right? So all I've done is just removed the trait and turned that method in the trait into a standalone function. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to reverse all the arrows. So we're going to reverse all the arrows. So try to unit becomes unit arrow try of t. Now this is a kind of a little bit weird thing in Scala, that when you return here unit, you might also say that's kind of we are going to change that on the left hand side into the empty tuple, because there's no value of type unit that you can pass as a parameter. Okay, so we're kind of cleaning this up a little bit. And then remember that what we said is that a future only produces a single value. So every time you call the future, it will just return the same value whenever you put in a new callback. So those unit arrows in front of the try of t really do nothing, because there cannot be any side effects, because you're always getting the same value. So if we simplify that, then we get try of t. So the magic here is that we started with a simple version of future, we reversed the arrows, we simplified, and we got try of t. And this trick of flipping the arrows is called duality. And here you see the duality in a slightly more intuitive form. If you look at a function of type future of t, what is that? It's a function that receives a result of type try of t via a callback. All right? And so it's like asynchronously receives that, and a function that returns a try of t directly blocks until the method returns. So the duality here is between synchronous and asynchronous, and the way we implement that is by kind of blocking or passing a callback. Now if you go to Wikipedia and you search for duality, you get the whole definition of duality, but the essence there is that you're flipping the arrows. And since this is not a full course on category theory, I will kind of leave it here. But the thing is that when you use duality, it's like buy one, get one free. And I'm Dutch, you probably heard that from my accent. And Dutch people are cheap, and we really like buy one, get one free. So that's the reason I'm so attracted to this notion of duality. All right, so that was our short derivation to go from try to future. And now we will go and do iterables, and then at some point we'll use the same trick to dualize iterables to observables. So see you next time.